This is a Lamborghini Urus protected with an Autowatch Ghost 2 Immobiliser installed by us at Immobiliser Fit. So how it works, if a thief got this key in any way, done a relay attack, stole it off you, broke into your house and got it, the car's going to start, but as soon as they put it in gear, you see the vehicle cuts out. We get these faults while the vehicle's stalled. That's totally normal. So we'll start it up again. If they try to reverse it off your drive, same thing's going to happen. Vehicle's going to stall. So what the customer's got to do, go through their own unique push sequence. For that, they'll start the car, pop their code in. For now, we just have 1, 2, 3, 4 to keep it simple for this video. We'll get 2 flashes. Now we can select our gear and the vehicle remains running. We can drive away. If they're taking it for a service, what they can do is put it into service mode. So to do that, while the system's disarmed and the vehicle's running, we'll pull the driver's window 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to get 5 flashes. Now we can turn the vehicle off. This is now a normal vehicle. Give Lamborghini the key. You don't need to tell them your code. Just get in the vehicle, start it up. It's going to go into gear. See, it's in reverse now. We'll pop it in drive. Vehicle doesn't stall out. Just a normal vehicle. When you get it home and you want to turn the system back on, all you got to do, pop your code in, receive your double flash, and now the system is back on and it's armed. So we'll turn the vehicle off just to check. We'll give it a couple of seconds to activate, and then without doing our code, we'll get in installed to make sure we've taken it out of service mode. And while it's parked outside our house, the vehicle's going to be secure. We put it in reverse, car cuts out, we know we're good to go. The customer wants to change the code, what they'll do, they've got to turn the ignition on, so foot off the brake. Tap the start button so your lights come on. Now pop our code in to prove it's us. Receive the double flash. Now the system knows it's us, we put our foot to the floor on the accelerator. Repeat our code again, 1, 2, 3, 4. The indicators are going to start to flash. When they do, we can let go of the accelerator. We can start putting our code in. So we'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're done, we'll wait and we'll get 3 flashes. 1, 2, 3. Repeat our code one more time to confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we'll just get the 2 flashes. And we're good to go, we can turn the vehicle off. If on the second step you got 4 flashes, it means the first and second codes you entered were different and you'd start the process again. But we've got it right, so we'll start the car, go through the new code of 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a double flash, and now we can drive away. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Ghost 2 on a brand new Lamborghini Urus. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.